gige gutigira skuru eno ni kwandika rutingo gebalabe na umebweganu kirutingo gebwao kenda gutigira madina mama matikumira kaile.
Bana principal, employ the right people, then you will not be having these small issues.
Yes, Chair.
These statutory issues will be a thing of the past. You just employ the right people.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and put systems. Right?
Yes, Chair.
We're being a little bit lenient because it's the first time here.
Most obliged, Chair.
Kamiti ino kithijaga na mbele na kuri university ino gutigira matagare make watho ni makujukira mu rutungo giomwe urai mwandike kurungamira kigina ni principal walio kire skuru eno ende aebwa ngugi na kwirwa kire kurungamira wekalia abunge baba ba kamiti eno bakiuga bobo akinyume na watho nonto mu rutungo gyojo ataina ome kire ngugi eno.
It is the officer indicated that we replaced with the current one.
Where is he?
He's still working at the Meru National Polytechnic. He was given lighter jobs.
Why do you transfer problems?
The job he's doing, Chair, does not include...
What is he doing?
He is assisting in the security of the institution as a security assistant.
And then he was?
He was the finance person.
It means he was earning illegally. Have you moved to recover the monies? This committee recommends that you move and recover the monies, the accounting officer to recover the monies paid illegally to the officer, okay, and the officer be reprimanded.
Most obliged, Chair.
Mamuji muneno Nairobi, Mbeta Antoni, Rangi wa Kathenya.
Kagitene gaka Kenya bagutara thara nene kumania na mbura ya makondoria mwerekeria wa mathomo ja University Mike Kuria ni arombete anto kuigwa mwito jwa Rais Ruto kuandamite kwa wingi kenda gukandana no garuruku bwarera miario eje ne gwati mbaru ne munini wa Chancellor ndene ya chukuru ya Meru University Professor Rimanaz Odhiambo barete kagita kama mbura ja uandi bwamite kire chukuru eje.
Kaitene ka Kenya baitete na mbere utarla sara cio toro na into CEO mathomo ya University Professor Mike Kuria na rombete ya Kenya wete kamwito ya Rais William Ruto yo kuandamite na wingi kenda kurieria mathina yaraya na kiano senje kwa rera.
The commitment to plant this number of trees should not just be institutional but should also be individual, and so we are encouraging universities to do that, and I think universities are doing that to a certain extent. There is commitment from many of the universities to plant a certain number of trees, so collectively they will be making that particular contribution, and of course the monitoring will be taking place so that we can know to what extent we are fulfilling that mandate.
Miario yawe ni watimbaru imonini o Chancellor Shukuru Emeru University Professor Romana Sodhiambo urawete mashukuru na ito binge bia thirikari bitiomba ngwebi bionka na rainyelete obatubo wa Kenya bonde kwiritanĩria kwanda na kumenyera miti.
We continue encouraging every Kenyan. This is not just the idea. The climate change is a reality. We are all aware of what is happening in Kenya and the whole world today. The only way of mitigating against those serious extreme climate effects is basically for us to plant and grow trees, basically taking care of our environment where we live. And it doesn't have to be an institution. You have to start from your compound. In fact, as a matter of fact, the president has said each and everyone must plant at least 30 trees every year, and they must grow. And that is the least we can do. And if we do that, then we can be assured of leaving something for us. We can be assured of building something that will help people later on in terms of the survival of humanity and all the biodiversity.
We have planted over 2,000 trees today. And one of the reasons why we are delighted to have them planted here is because we know that they will not just be planted, they will be looked after, they will grow. And as you know, we come many times on either we are coming to look at programs here, or we are coming to do a visitation of the university, or even coming to monitor quality. So there will be time for us to see that those trees are growing. And we are doing that not only just to fulfill this idea of 15 billion trees, but because we believe that we should do something to mitigate against climate change.
The universities have been given to plant at least 1,000 trees per year, and to have a tree nursery of not less than 260,000 per year. What the Commission is doing here today is going to build and strengthen that goal. And for us at Meru University, this, if you all know it, those of you who have been to Meru University for the last many years, this was a desert. But today we talk of a forest cover of about 14%. We have done 76 acres as we talk with you today, and that is almost 14% of forest average of 10 to 11%.
Kiripotera Weru TV kuma Tiania, Mbeta wa Mithika.
Akariba wodi ya Nkondi ni bakuromba mubunge wa Tharaka Gitonga Murugara kuthuganiria uthondeki bwa mathukaniro janjira kiri barabara ya Miomponi gwita Gatunga Mwanka Nkondi baritaririria barabara eje ethiritwe igikirwa raminusu na gutigirwa bakiwa kinyamuram jira jutumikite tejumwega untubutumite barabara ya tabarikia nkuruki kagita kakambura abara ne bobonekete kuringika bone nene borite mubunge ojo gochwanta taira iria ikathiria thina ejeburu
na kari wadini ya Nkondi na mono athithia babikibiki nterino barahaba kiaria bararamikirite kuthukanga kwa barabara kuma Miomponi kujira Nkondi Mwankira junction ya Gatunga arabugite maram barabarani ino yekiro kuma Miomponi Mwankira brother kiraka amwe na kwigwi maram yumbite gukamatwa imugwe Mwankira thaino tukwaria barabara okiwiki nyamara kitheri
athie tona kamaram kathie gatura kuma brother kiraka Mwanka Nkondi na kamaram gatura na koni mtu atigendo enagaruka mweri umwe igoterecha irotokuria atiriri ikaba kwinja mara mko na Tharaka ye mara mwendonge karigara lakini mara mwinya bameketa nuchu irotokuria ikambeja chathire ambura kiraka chako ya Mwanka junction mokai bai
challenges nene ke barabara no ya kuma junction kuthi Mwanka Miomponi barabara ni turitwa mira ni turitwa mara lakini turitwe Mwanka ambura kiraka ene karigara wewa itotoka mata customer Mwanka ambura kiraka kana itio toko wiraga inge para kuma ko thia Mwanka mbura kiraki barabara tikuthieka itureto Mwanka gwene ndiko meagwa Tharaka ino ni maita magana kwirere gutura mara muneno inge taturo
eno aturumatoro kuma junction eno kuthimba marimanti ithukite mono yajire yari moya yekirwa kamara nini ne mara mwinyerere kirwe ti mara mwintaga tuithi tukibotagira tuthiete njirani kwendia
agambe to aya kariaba mono kire muchumba Tharaka Gitonga Murugara gururia barabara ino
karamia kamara mwaga kakuma mbwara kiraka Mwanka junction yanjinji bai nkoromba Gitonga Murugara na ere antu bachokere kere gwikira mara mwembega barekire ntaga njirani bakiugi mara
ni nkoromba Gitonga njinji tunaraithiria manto amu ombe turuthira barabara na turuthia tugenene twamuringire kura twinthe na tie kuruthanuchu
gerekire kihatho mwanya MCO wa Nkondi te Mheshimiwa Leonard Gitonga kithuka iguru ya kuthukanga kwa barabara ino
ukire mtu atumite njira ino igoro echo utibwa tonerete yaku ene untu wono untu awa no Kenya Rural Roads Authority ithiba kumukie kaire mbure ne Gitenya bathondeke kare bwega bwira kari kinya mbere iri mwana untu ine yanyogokie nkuruki ikare bwega ethonde kuna antu aba Kenya Rural Roads Authority engineer aba chuka iba tumenyeretie muno njinji ankwire okweri nondore every year no ikagira mbecha kana ibe ikagira mbia barabarani ino wana mtu ate muthomo kaina njirani ino na kuthia kethe aru ya rukwamirira kona akurenda karabati kabo batomba kuona wana boy batio tumenye
ujumbo Tharaka Mheshimiwa Gitonga Murugara no akiuga noe wengombire kurugamia mara mwene tikombe arankuru kiugite nwendere kuthina bora kubatiri
tibakwirwa kana kwithina yayire ogonda mirugamirie number 1 menye no woko mirima number 2 haita kuruthata number 3 ingithimite akurutha na mbura ndetro bisini wakera Jumatatu kandi kalithwe nthe nenkwe mutaratara uyu lakini nkibera no ethero mbechirio no ndiba komeni choka na ara nande nake ibukuthiete na muma no nchunywe kaberi bukariu egwe mbechirio ogo nekirwe maramu ira mbega ira yikagiro kagita timothanga tintaga tiginto taiku ibuthiete kubera na bakathikeria bara kuthikeria bakona mbechiru gichoka treasury tukanengerwa chiriu ringi.
Ngiripotera Uru TV kumantere cia Tharaka Bito Paul Gwakabithe.
Makareka zankuchanio cha miundano zietete na mbere gukujirwa ntere charwirirwa rera ikarikara ruwa riri gatigati ka muntu umwe kiumbe uri ukuga kithaka kimwe kiria gia kichukuru na kinya kanisa ni untu butumite
icho Monday last week no ntobo munda jo skuru kwithira icho agitangio kategera nara icho rari gitangio almost 2 acres kanisa na aja fence ye gitangwa na intruders bejere gwo utuku no ntobate kwenda manto wa muthenya no to community neo against manto jau so tuga na onto nande manto je kotini ikyo no nto tuthurene ikenda twakikisha manto jara je kotini tukujetithia bwega na justice ikuonekana kanisa na justice ikuonekana community.
Timu thikithinji mukarura wina wirubu eteke seneta wa county ya Meru kithurano nekike yake liungira Kristo bakanisi wamo na aciari bashukuru oiu na abaetwira no bathiatire ambare munda yori ari kotini mwankathai
aoni manto ja ngabo thingatera imbije manto ja mawakiri ya nyuma ya mbere yeguru jonde ja manto injeije anda ja thingatira kidogo tigane inya kurayoti ndienda next week wete aciari bachukuru wete aciari baja bonsainire karatasi winde andika rito ryaku andika ureo kaniseje ID usaine bonenkere uju bondetere tuchindwe kesi umenye
kithinji akiromba PS wa miundo wa mana maabisa ba Sonkoni county na Meru kumilathineje na mpuyo muno nikenda shukuru na kanisa o maboka umwa
PS yo lanzi muchore kwa eta Nixon Korir tukurita no inda kaya atwi ngamuria akamunda kai nyaka kai Rwanda na ale otiombo linga thimu mwake omboliria kamunda kale na atakageta akoria kiuria na tuka cancel taito yu nonto taito ndabwira anto bakeja go participate bakaandika munda jojo kijwa nonto ambwira gintu kimwe inya munda jora jo aku okurima na aru thirikari na thirikari babwe thirikari teruto kana mtore okamunene thirikari iraia munda jore okurima thirikari kauga munda jojo aku na ndejo gutwika barabara kajo turawa barabara sawa sawa so bokaigwe gwira tuito manto tonini tu aigwe nya to kwaria na ro tu bau taitu chao bakareta rojo na atokwire nya DCI Meru DCI bajokie taitu yu beteba research bone taitu inache umereke the kanisa
MC Wantura Felix Kithinji ontiri
nya onde okte sawa na onde to manake mwamba unduga atire sawa
kwenda kuga manzo ya munda ibo mageti ando baba buyete munda kuma antuke bwadire maandamano aja kwe baba kwenda ku design ngoge origana na bwa baba dite atia bonete lakini ndendo kure nyo design ngogene no mwanka ukare agitu kyo thekiro nyanyasiri antu betu barorera Desa sawa digwa na ndabire ko makana nini maandamano ko thithia antuka biore bikoro kidogo abia kuga konoga no umire ngogene ute muntu okure tore tamba bakupaiya munda yo tojororera
urimbita wa Kelvin Kimathi.
Muunjia wa kanisa ya Pentekosto ya Kaibonewe Francis Gitonga ni ameneretie kuora kwa mitugo kuria kuonekana kirimbe mbithi na mono kiriana bari baria bonekete bate kwenda kurita ngugi ende ni gwitania na antu arume bakuru ni arombete mitugo yu kugarurwa na mbe mbithi kuchokera Murungu ni kenda bagwata kitharimu
ukona mwana umware kethre skuru are ate concentrate na skuru ao skuru lakini achore mustari ai university arume ibatano endi bonto kona nya mitandaone ana bare itare onde bairia bakenyonga wane uwebwa mbere ute concentrate na githomo gyaku wetere university wetere kuthoma abau nenderie mburi abau arendia birago endia abau arendia kinyikwa kana areria kinya ochimani andeki lakini wewe ta shukuru nawe utethera ukithoma ni bonto oyo Ezekia atomo Murungu amwira atiri kire Ezekia igure Ezekia ire kwanjiria ire au itakire antu baginyethera batena matuka nethera batena Anthony no ntundugirere gwetena Anthony.
Intumiria mutumiria Francis Gitonga uria yikine ta pastor anku wa kanisa ya Pentecostal Christian Center na ali na utaro kiri antu babethi mono anabali na ari beri barekana na mitugo imithuku iria baingi kuthithia ucore kana gukarana na antu arume kithumba kenda kuingia maubatu jaria bali na jo na mutugo jongi juria kubakania ni kwithiriria mwana mwari agituma ucore na mukuru nthegere nthuki cia bethe bare bakumita wa baba sponsor Sugar Daddy na marietwa jangi
antu batena Anthony no gwithira mwana mwari na gutuma ucore ginya na muntu o enji yethe muntu wetu ethe aga wi boyfriend iriku mukuru ena miaka 60 50 30 no kuonaga mwari ga miaka 18 agio boyfriend yoke miaka 60 kabukaria miaka yana we no ntu na sister nawe na 20 itu nkwenda kwa radio ntubu na buri ojumbe kiri ana betu bari no ntu murungu na thwire meja ya mui meja muntu nabwirite kumenya age aga menyoyo ibaba na mdaga na shika menyoyo mami kinyoke agwethera mseka ina mbecha lioko na mwana muntu uyu ni nje my father utibwite kuna mianke uona uyu akwa kiondo itanienwe bwayele bweta skuru yontore aba weta skuru na una ana bakwairi Anthony muno ugeta university ugethera na muchinura karitwe weta nara ugethera rendi okururwa na wethera okururwa ri ukamenya rendi no nthithio rangeta atia kenda ugethera mwana omware ai na boyfriend omwe bere bathatu bana na omuntu nabangiri rira mwana muthako uyu kanethera muntu akamenya teni mbethera ndire yaninka irio kuona akiuma thine mwana ora inkwenda kwaririo ntubu ati mwana kethera no mwari na nirwe nibirethe omwa na nirwe ibira muciari o
ite kuringana na pastor anku ni gwikira nguo ikuonania kithuno
wetigiria yuba wikira nguo yu weta mind dress na bibinge yawi manto yanto yabathitha cia bongwa muntu aiweretie na eu nio mwambiririo meja kwambere mwana mwari wekera weta kiunu tiguku anto murume amona akenda kiunu kugi agetite agikite utheri muntu netha era akienda gintu kira kithi muno na kowe ndiriro karita nguo ciaku weta kiunu wacemania na arume ba kiunu ya uwe kinyabo mathani oya getha ya kiunu ya uwe indi ukori biro wacemania bio ntu mathani ya arume ba uye kiunu ya uwe kiunu kwa umucara waku ukoya kiunu ne giaku wekera nguo boya na wacemania nto murume serious wekuria mwari umwe okura wikirite nguo boya.
Dennis Mugendi, Weru TV, muciini o Maua, kaunti ya Meru.
Nkatho Chemonyi kugwatanira na bautwikiri nteto chetu cheru thithatu mbita Maureen Kinya mwonanire to mathithio ni Purity Richard. Good night.